guys, ND72 here. We're gonna be doing a little bit of work on the SLK today. Mainly it's just gonna be cleaning up the engine bay, just removing stuff that I don't enjoy having on the car that's gonna make it easier to work on. So let's get started. It's gonna be probably the AC unit's gonna be coming out. We're gonna do a different fan design and then removing the secondary air pump and putting blockout plates. Alright, hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, it's going to be the stuff. It's going to be the updated tensioner, new idler pulley, block-off plates from East Coast Euro. They're great guys. They ship really quickly. The products are really good, so I recommend them. If you guys ever need anything, hit them up. They sell quite a bit of products for the Mercedes. And then here's the new fan design. So, once the motor cools down a little bit, because I was driving it all day at work, we'll start getting on it. Alright guys, that's a secondary air pump. That's what we're going to be removing today. One of the things. Alright guys, we got the pump and the valves out. These look pretty new. Now, when taking these out, be very careful you don't actually snap this piece off right here, because when they get old, they're really hard to come out, and I'll show you what happens when you do snap one out. On this motor I got over here, the place I took it to before, they actually did snap them out on each one. I don't know if you can see down there, and I went to go pull them off to get the gaskets, and here's them. They're clean, sheared right off, and all they did was just put it right back on and hope I didn't notice. So that kind of sucks, but let's keep going. Alright guys, got the old fan out. This is the old fan setup. This is going to be the new one. As you can tell, it's a lot. It's definitely slimmer, so it's going to give me a lot more room in the engine bay, and it weighs a lot less. Like night and day difference. Alright guys, we got all the cutting done. So one big thing you gotta know to do when you're putting it on there is trim all that away. So the belt is mainly gonna rub right here, and it used to hit this piece right here. So you just cut it and trim it and make it all smooth, and then you have no rubbing when you do the AC delete. And then the belt you're gonna need is gonna be bam right there. That's going to be the perfect length for it and everything. But let's start putting, we got the new pulley on there. We're going to put the new tensioner on really quick, and then put the belt on. We're almost done. Alright guys, we got the AC compressor out, the new tensioner, new pulley in, the new fans in. I'm just going to finish wiring it up right now. It's just literally just rigged up real quick just to make sure I got it going the right way. Fits in there almost perfect. You can't even notice it. Yep. We're going to weigh the compressor to see how much you're dropping on the nose from that. We got a couple other things we removed, but I think it's going to start storming here in a little bit. So we're going to clean up for now and then come back. Alright, we got the belt on and everything. We got plenty of clearance right there. I can fit a whole finger underneath where it would have been rubbing. And then also, like, with moving the fan up front and putting the slim one, like, you could just see all the extra room we got right here. and then how much cleaner it looks not having the secondary air pump on there. It's going to make it a lot easier to work on this for if we need to do any type of maintenance. You're not worrying about hurting your hands or nothing crazy like that. Also, with the AC gone, let's see if we can get down there and see how much extra. See, like, all that area is open up to go get stuff. So it's definitely going to help out a lot with this car. Alright guys, we're going to see how much weight we lost. Let's see if you can even see the scale. First, just the compressor and a few lines, which came up to 15.8. Let's move that out of the way. Right. 15.8. Alright, let's try the fan now. Did it again. That's 10.4, or 9.4, I mean. 9.4. Let's see if it'll register. Turn it on again. It'll register a little module. Alright. The little thing is 0.8. That's surprising. And then the other part we're going to move today. Alright, let's see what this one weighs now. Let's turn this thing back on. Come on. We're at 2.8. We got 2.8 right there. So that would be... Right after you add everything up again, you get 28.8. So right around 30 pounds for everything we lost up the front end. So, not bad. Alright guys, weighing the secondary air pump, which comes up to 3.0. Also, I forgot to throw that in on the other one. Alright guys, a couple people were saying that the slim fan design is not as efficient as doing the factory design. Honestly, I've done these slim fans on like 3 or 4 of my cars. I've done them on the trucks, the SUVs, and I live in Florida. And the air intake temperature drop, the coolant temperatures drop, and this picture right here is actually showing in Florida in 98-degree weather after driving it all day, the coolant temperature is still at 80 degrees Celsius, which is a little bit lower than the 87-degree thermostat, and the only cooling really is the fan. The difference is the factory fans will cycle on and off, and I'm pretty sure they have 3 speeds to them, where the high is when you have AC on, and then when the transmission gets a certain temperature. The way this fan is running, it's running constantly. So, I mean, it works out for me. Alright guys, one last thing I did forget. You will get a check engine light for the secondary air pump if you don't code it out. So the way to do it is you're going to go into your star system, and then the code number is 0178. So you're going to go in there and then just code that one out, and then you'll be fine. I didn't really make a video of how to do that because there's quite a bit of videos out there for that one. Alright guys, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. More coming soon on the SLK. And if you guys got any comments of how you don't like how I did stuff or how you want more detail on something, just put it in there. Alright, thanks.